Welcome back to Health for You. Today we're exposing 6 common morning habits that could be quietly sabotaging your weight loss goals. We all have our routines, hitting snooze, skipping breakfast, or reaching for that extra cup of coffee. But what if these little habits are the reason you're not seeing results? We'll break down what to avoid and share simple, science-backed swaps to boost your metabolism and energy from the moment you wake up. Stick around to the end for easy tips, like how sunlight or making your bed can jumpstart your weight loss journey. Ready to take control of your mornings and your health? Let's dive in. First up, getting dressed in the dark. It seems harmless, but skipping morning sunlight can mess with your metabolism. Studies show that people who get sunlight early in the day have lower BMIs, regardless of diet or exercise. Morning light resets your body clock, boosts energy, and helps your body burn calories more efficiently. Staying in the dark keeps your body in night mode, slowing your metabolism and making you crave sugary foods. The fix? Open your blinds as soon as you wake up. Aim for 20 minutes of sunlight between 8 a.m. and noon. Even indirect light helps. Think of it as flipping your body's on switch for the day. This tiny change can help regulate hormones and set you up for weight loss success. Tomorrow, let the sunshine in. Next, skipping your morning weigh-in. Many avoid the scale out of fear, but this can actually lead to weight gain. Daily weigh-ins keep you aware and accountable, catching small changes before they add up. Research shows people who weigh themselves daily lose more weight and keep it off. Don't obsess over daily fluctuations. Focus on the overall trend. Weigh yourself at the same time each morning, after using the restroom and before eating. Track your progress in a journal or app. The scale isn't your enemy, it's your feedback tool. Use it to stay on track and make quick adjustments. Knowledge is power. Not making your bed? It's more important than you think. This tiny act is a keystone habit, a small win that sets a positive tone for your day. People who make their beds are more likely to stick to healthy routines and feel less stressed. A tidy space reduces stress hormones that trigger junk food cravings. Take 90 seconds to make your bed. It's your first accomplishment and can spark healthier choices all day. Start your day with order and watch the benefits ripple out. Coffee is great, but if you skip water in the morning, you're starting off dehydrated. Dehydration slows your metabolism and can make you feel hungry when you're really just thirsty. Plus, sugary coffee drinks can add hundreds of empty calories before breakfast. The fix: drink a big glass of water before your first cup of coffee. This rehydrates you, kickstarts your metabolism, and helps control cravings. Enjoy your coffee black or with minimal milk and sugar. Keep sipping water throughout the morning. Hydration first, caffeine second. The snooze button feels good, but it's wrecking your morning. Hitting snooze fragments your sleep, leaving you groggy and low on willpower. This sleep inertia makes you more likely to skip workouts and reach for unhealthy foods. Repeated alarms spike your stress hormone, cortisol, which is linked to belly fat. Solution: set your alarm for the time you actually need to get up. Put it across the room so you have to get out of bed. Break the snooze habit for more energy, better choices, and a healthier start. Your body and your waistline will thank you. Skipping breakfast might seem harmless, but it can backfire. Without fuel, your metabolism slows, and you're more likely to overeat later. Hunger leads to poor food choices and bigger portions at lunch. A protein-rich breakfast keeps you full, stabilizes blood sugar, and curbs cravings. Quick options: Greek yogurt with berries, eggs with veggies, or a protein smoothie. You don't need a big meal, just something balanced. Start your day nourished, and you'll make better choices all day. Don't skip it, fuel up. Now let's build your new morning routine for weight loss. Try 5 minutes of meditation to lower stress and prevent emotional eating. Pack a healthy lunch so you're not tempted by fast food. Remember, small, consistent changes add up to big results. Open your blinds, drink water, make your bed, eat a smart breakfast, ditch the snooze, and step on the scale. Which habit will you start tomorrow? Share in the comments. Like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more tips from Health for You. See you next time.